What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, the kids and I are here in Party City, and it looks like they've put out a lot of their Halloween items. These are all $9.99 and they're really, really long. Look at that purple one, it's so long. This one here is $29.99 and this one is $19.99. Again, they are super, 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 super long. This one is $19.99 and this one is $29.99. They don't have everything out yet, but they do have some decor for Halloween parties. This one is so cute. I think this one was here last year. So sorry you guys, but they don't have all the prices out yet. Pick Your Poison, that's $4.99. Jack Skellington, it's a little jointed cutout for $3.99. This wall isn't filled up yet. This is back. You guys remember this from my Party City video last year? These are $3.99. And they started putting out some little skeletons. This full skeleton is $49.99. It looks like it would be really, really big. And this life-size one is $24.99. The chains are $9.99. It looks like they have some more decor over here, like these giant lawn hands for $12.99. You guys, they are humongous. And they have some decorating kits, some wall grabbers, floor gore. This is $3.99. Dreadful decals that cling to your walls, spooky stickers that cling to your floor. They have the balloons that match. They have the spooky bat paper lanterns for $9.99. Oh, this is so cute. How much is this? So sorry you guys, but a lot of the prices aren't out yet here in my store. These are just 99 cents. The little treat baskets. And the placemats are $2.99 each. Gator found the Chewbacca mask.
And some swords.
And some swords. They'll be putting out all the Halloween masks down this aisle, but currently, right now, it's just full of like really cool things like these little wiggle top pens. Oh, look at the kitty. Is it a kitty? No, it's a unicorn. Those are so cute. I thought it was a little cat. And they have the little Mermicorn blind bags. Fingerlings. Some little lip balms on a keychain. Some ugly dolls. They have some JoJo Siwa stuff in here too. They have the JoJo slime kit. But you guys, I'm just not finding prices on anything, and that's probably because this rounder is gonna be moving elsewhere. This whole area back here will be nothing but Halloween. Has anyone seen this stuff yet? The Pandemonium. They have little panda ears, a little panda sleep mask. I love the panda ears. The little gloves, photo props and backdrop. And everything is super, super cute and panda themed. Again, you guys, I'm just not finding prices. The cute little panda hat. I love the skirt. They even have a little panda pillow. And Unicorn Universe. Unicorniverse over here. For all you unicorn lovers, they have the little crossbody bags. My bestie is a unicorn. The little phone ring. The unicorn photo props. The cute little unicorn mini backpack. And they even have the skirts. If you guys are into the Nightmare Before Christmas, then you guys will probably love some of these napkins. I think these are $1.99. And they have these. And they have the little plates. And more plates. I really like this one. Misfit Love. That's so cute. And they have the little stickers, the window stickers for $1.99. And they have the prop kits, the Tim Burton prop kits for $7.99. They have a lot of cute decorating kits in here. This one is really like cutesy Halloween, like unscary themed. I love the little ghost. Did you guys know they had 10 for $1 candy in here? 10 for $1. They have mints. They have fireballs. They have the little Tootsie Roll Fruities, the mini pops. Jolly Ranchers, Starburst. I rarely come in here, you guys, but it is a really, really fun store. Again, you guys, this is all the 10 for $1 candy. I have never seen these. Oh, it's a black cherry Dum Dum. I was hoping it was licorice. These are flavors I've never seen. Birthday cake. Birthday cake. What about this one? This one is blue raspberry. Blueberry. If you guys are into giving out non-candy gifts to your trick-or-treaters, this would probably be the best place to come because they have a lot of 25-cent items. They have stickers and whistles and notepads, and they have like little hair accessories. They have a lot of little like party favors in here that would be perfect if you want to do a non-candy Halloween, or even if you're having a Halloween party. They have so much to choose from in here. Just pencils and yo-yos and bracelets. Over here on the other side, you guys, they have value packs of the various prizes. Like they have the little tiaras, they have the little smiley bendables, they have balls and slime, they have fingernail files, they have, what's this, silly straws, little maze puzzles, pens, the super cute ring erasers, the little bathtub toys. You guys let me know if you want me to come back in maybe in a week or two when they're fully stocked for Halloween. I'd love to come back in here for you guys. But just know they do have a lot of masks and gloves and accessories that you can get now depending upon what you want to be for Halloween. They have this entire wall, and I'm thinking most of these items are here year round, and they have it sort of color coded. Like they have the pink mask. They have lots of wigs. They have a gold mask. They have a black mask. They have a rainbow mask. Purple. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange, you guys, and with the masks, they have like all of the matching accessories, from like the little tattoos to the glasses to the matching wigs. Everything is color coded and really easy to find. They also have this red one, and last but not least, the red, white, and blue. I found more accessories back here, you guys, by the dollar cards. I believe a lot of these things are here year round. They have tons and tons of accessories, like little costumes. They have glasses and themes like Star Wars and Moana and Frozen and Birdy. They have even more masks over here, you guys, besides the ones I showed you in the color-coded section. They have 80s themed items, disco shirts, Again, you guys, just let me know what you want me to come back for and I'll show you guys everything. But I believe these items are here pretty much year round. All of the hats as well. And the cat in the hat. If you enjoyed this video and you guys give me lots of likes, I'll be back to share all of this that has yet to be put out. Last year I came in here. You guys just go ahead and click up here if you want to see last year's Party City Halloween items, masks and everything, all the decor. Just let me know if you guys want me to come back and I will come back and show you a nice loaded up store. But all right, you guys, that's it for me and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.